Hello, my name is Cameron Bell, and this is one of our Rotobrush demonstrational videos. Today we're looking at the RotoVent Vac. This is our dry-vent cleaning system. We have two dry-vent cleaning models, both the RotoVent Vac and the HD Vac. The difference is suction power. This is our system with a little bit less suction power, designed for residential cleaning. We also have the HD Vac, which has about 60% more suction and is designed for both residential and commercial cleaning. With these dry-vent cleaning systems, you'll have brush attachments in 4 and 8 inch brushes. You'll also have a bird's nest claw, which is designed to clean out birds' nests, which often find themselves in our dry vent lines. Every package will also come with a pair of brush pliers to disconnect both the brushes and the bird's nest claw. Outside of that, you see the machine here. Both machines work identically. Today we're working with this RotoVent Vac here, and it's got an 8-foot hose that's attached to our dry vent. It's got a Y adapter on it here. The base of the Y is going into the dry vent mouth, and we've also got this flap here that's going to allow our brush to go through, that's connected to the drill. So you see we have a drill here that's attached to our braided steel cable with the plastic sheath on it. It is 25 feet in length. As you spin the drill, so spins the brush, and we're going to feed it through. It's going to loosen that dryer vent lint, and the vacuum, which will not turn on today just for the sound so you can hear me talking and all that good stuff, would normally be pulling out the dry vent lint back into this system. Now this RotoVent Vac here is designed for both residential, but it also will pick up water. So even if there is a little bit of water in the line, it won't hurt it at all. It is not HEPA filtered. The HD Vac is HEPA filtered. So if you are in a situation where you need a system that has HEPA filtration, you would have to upgrade to the more powerful system that's the HD Vac and has HEPA filter. I'm just going to run this in real quick. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us some comments on our YouTube page, or you can call us directly. Our direct line at Rotobrush here is 800-535-3878. That's 800-535-3878. Other than that, I'm just going to fire this thing up real quick, and we're going to essentially use our imagination as if the vacuum system is on, but we're just going to run this cable down through this opening. And as we get it in there, we're just going to give it a little drill and feed it up, give it some more. Pretty straightforward on the dry vent cleaning. There's not much to it. Our customers on average are charging between $150 to $200 for dry vent cleaning alone. If you're adding it to things like air duct cleaning, it can be a little bit less, and also can be a little bit higher than that $150 to $200, especially if you have to get on the roof or do something crazy like that. If you have more questions, please feel free to give us a call. Again, my name's Cameron Bell, and you can reach us at Rotobrush at 800-535-3878. Thank you.